52 speaker. 52 speaker is a sleek, portable Bluetooth speaker, perfect for bike riders and outdoor enthusiasts. 52 speaker is easy to mount. It can be attached to bike handlebars and backpack straps. The large volume control knob and the track control buttons allow you to control the playback of your music, even with thick gloves on. 52 speaker will give you the optimized music experience catered to outdoor environments. The firmly mounted 52 speaker stays perfectly stable on all your outdoor activities. And it's compact and light. Stay connected by pairing your smartphone for hands-free calling.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, you caught me out hiking. Out on Mount...
And take 52 speaker with you everywhere because it's water and dust resistant. The FM radio auto-scanning feature lets you tune in and listen to FM broadcasts.
This is DJ Taylor, and you're tuned to the best oldie station still around. Don't touch that dial. Hey everybody, you're listening.
By connecting your smartphone to 52 speaker, you can take various applications with you on your journey. For instance, you can hear traffic alerts and where to turn with Google's voice navigation. The possibilities are endless. Its built-in rechargeable battery has up to 7 hours of playtime. Enhance your outdoor experience with the 52 speaker, the ultimate mountable speaker for the outdoors.
This is the Butterfly K-Pack. It's a 21-pound skin-on-frame boat that folds up neatly into a backpack. Assembly takes just 3 to 4 minutes and is super easy because the aluminum frame is already inside the boat skin. Designed with adventure and travel in mind, the K-Pack is versatile, durable, and comfortable to operate. Above all, it provides easy access to the water anywhere. Hey, I'm Pete Flood, creator and founder of the Folding Boat Company, and I love spending time outdoors. It used to be that whenever I'd be traveling, hiking, or exploring, I'd often find myself in these outrageously beautiful places near water, but unable to take advantage of all the opportunities while I was there. You know, I realized that canoes and other small boats are kind of heavy and bulky to use. They weren't very practical. So I did some research and found there were other folding kayaks out there, but they were all very expensive and a little bit difficult to assemble. I realized I needed a folding boat that would be super light, compact, and easy to assemble. A boat you could have with you all the time and take anywhere. The K-Pack is just that, a versatile, lightweight, packable, skin-on-frame boat that features a simple assembly to get you on the water in the quickest, most stress-free way possible. The Butterfly K-Pack uses a patented, ingenious, wicked cool internal aluminum frame that pops open and locks into place in just a few seconds. The lower portion of this frame is attached to and nests between 4 independent air tubes that run the length of the boat. When you attach the pump that comes with your boat to the manifold, you will fill each air tube simultaneously, which allows the boat to fill symmetrically every time. Inflating the air tubes compresses the frame to the outer skin. These air tubes also provide shock absorption and flotation. To ensure durability, we use custom-made high-tenacity polyester fabrics coated with urethane for maximum tear and abrasion resistance. Our seams are sealed with radio frequency welding machines. The assembly is designed to be very simple. You can set it up with your eyes closed. But what's most important is folks say it's the most comfortable seat they've ever paddled from. When it's time to play, you shouldn't have to worry or think about how much effort it's going to take to get your boat ready. If you like to travel, it's easy to take this boat with you. You can even check it when traveling by commercial airlines. Plus, the boats are light enough, you can pack extra gear and clothes inside the backpack. This boat is so compact, it can live in your closet or under your bed, ready to go in a moment's notice. And the bonus? There's no need to spend $600 on a roof rack. It fits perfectly in your trunk, allowing you to finally reach those hard-to-access places you've always dreamed of. It's also a very stable boat. Great for fishing, exploring, nature photography, a lazy paddle, or an excuse to get outside for some fresh air, maybe even an upper body workout. From urban areas to backcountry secret spots, go solo, take your family, or even carry multiple boats if you need to. Say you are camping, RVing, or even if you have an extra hour or two on a Sunday afternoon. With a K-Pack, you have an easy option to go play on the water. You can get some fishing in, take the kids for a paddle, or find some serenity on a quiet lake or river. We like to think it's more important than ever for folks to get outside so they can appreciate and support the natural wonders this world has to offer. Thank you for backing our project. Go unfold your next adventure.
If we're lucky, most of us can take water for granted. Turn on the tap and there it is. But what if that changed? Hurricanes, earthquakes, all sorts of other disasters, natural or man-made, can leave us vulnerable. Water is vital to survival. Emergency prep kits should have 3 days of drinking water per person. But if you need more, what can you do for safe drinking water? Would you be prepared for a disaster? An emergency? A desperate situation? Even if that desperation is just about getting in touch with nature. Whether you're prepping an emergency kit or going for a hike, Purisoo is an easy-to-use and dependable water purification system that's an important yet inexpensive investment to make. The Purisoo water purification bottle filters and purifies water by removing a variety of contaminants, bacteria, protozoan cysts, and particulates, and it reduces viral, chemical, and heavy metal content. Simply place the bottle's inlet into the fresh water source and pump. Water is drawn through the hollow fiber membrane and carbon filter, resulting in purified water. Close off the inlet, flip it over, unscrew the pump handle, and sip directly from the 410 milliliter purified water reservoir. Contaminated water never enters this chamber. Or save in a separate bottle so you can purify even more water. The replaceable filter can process up to 1,000 liters. The Purisoo water purification bottle is great for hiking, emergencies, and for travel to places where you might not be so sure of the local water quality. With the funds we raise from our Kickstarter campaign, we'll be able to complete the final steps needed in bringing Purisoo to market.